and I'm very happy because I have been super lucky to discover the Dlontlo Cultural Village. Like, I'm the first one apparently, so I'm super happy. It's an amazing place. There's shade, there's trees, amazing. You can braai, you can like camp also, you can discover the culture. The people are amazing. There's plenty to do. There's an amazing picnic on the 16th of December. Please join, like everybody will be happy to meet you. I don't know what else to say. Thank you very much to the team. And if you want to learn more about them, just contact them. They're super open. You can come from overseas, from South Africa. Everybody's welcome. Please go.
Thank you.
Kupu, kupu. I'm sorry, I'm not good at this, but it was amazing. Thank you very much.